Creating a birth plan is like mapping out a journey that you know will be filled with unexpected turns and surprises. It's a personal manifesto, a declaration of how you envision bringing your child into the world. But it's also a reminder that life rarely goes according to plan. So, where do you even begin? First, you have to sit down and think about what's most important to you. Do you want a natural birth, or are you leaning towards an epidural? It's crucial to understand your options, to educate yourself about the different methods of pain relief, the pros and cons of each. You might find yourself drawn to the idea of a water birth, feeling the soothing embrace of warm water as you labor. Or perhaps the thought of an unmedicated birth appeals to you, the rawness of the experience, the connection to your body and your baby. Once you've gathered your thoughts, it's time to put pen to paper. Start with the basics. Where do you want to give birth? Is it a hospital, a birthing center, or perhaps even at home? Each option comes with its own set of advantages and challenges. Hospitals offer medical support and technology, but they can also feel sterile and intimidating. A birthing center might provide a more intimate environment, but you need to consider the availability of medical assistance if complications arise. And a home birth? That's a bold choice, one that requires trust in your body and your support team. Next, think about who you want by your side during this monumental event. Your partner, of course, but what about a doula or a close friend? This is your moment, and you deserve to feel surrounded by love and support. Write down their names, their roles, and how you envision them helping you through the process. Maybe you want someone to advocate for you, to speak up when you can't find the words amidst the waves of contractions. Or perhaps you want a calming presence, someone who can help you breathe through the pain and remind you of your strength. Now, let's talk about the nitty-gritty details. What do you want your labor to look like? Do you want to move around, to sway your hips, to find comfort in different positions? Or do you prefer the idea of lying down, focusing inward as you breathe through each contraction? It's essential to communicate your preferences clearly, but also to remain flexible. The reality of labor can be unpredictable, and sometimes the best laid plans need to be adjusted. Consider the environment you want to create. Soft lighting, your favorite music, maybe even some essential oils to fill the air with calming scents. You want to feel safe and secure, cocooned in a space that feels right for you. Write down your wishes for the atmosphere, and don't hesitate to include anything that makes you feel more at ease. As you move through your birth plan, don't forget to address the postpartum period. How do you envision your first moments with your baby? Skin-to-skin contact, delayed cord clamping, breastfeeding right away. These are all choices that can enhance your bonding experience. Think about who you want to be present during those first precious moments. Finally, it's crucial to acknowledge that this plan is not set in stone. Life has a way of throwing curveballs, and the most important thing is the health and safety of you and your baby. Be prepared to adapt, to let go of certain expectations, and to embrace whatever unfolds. Your birth plan is a guide, a reflection of your hopes and dreams, but it's also a reminder that you are strong and capable, no matter how the journey unfolds. So, take a deep breath, trust yourself, and know that you are ready for this incredible adventure.